like, comment, subscribe.
And make sure to visit us in Hooters and Joliet.
Hello, my name is Andy, and this is my 84 Grand National. I've had the car for about 13 years now. I got it for really nothing. The guy had it in his backyard and had no time for it. He was in the Marines, so he goes, "You want a Regal that was in my backyard?" So I said, okay, and I got it. Then for the next 13 years, I've been restoring it little by little. This is 87 engine because parts were quite scarce for the 84, 85 cars. And I changed the brakes to the vacuum because the Hydro Boost doesn't work for this engine.
What did you do for the engine to boost the performance?
It's 30 over, 231 cubic inch engine. It's a 66 millimeter turbo, 50-pound injectors. For the Indy cars back then, they had the same connecting rods in here. It's a forged crank, poured in polished heads.
What stage turbo?
It's just a 67 millimeter turbo, they call it.
Okay. And what about a chip?
Chip is a 93 octane chip, so I can still run pump gas. But this car really likes race gas a lot.
And so the question that everyone asks, and I've asked you earlier, do you take it to the track?
No.
Okay.
Parts are kind of scarce to get for this car, so if I break something, it's 4 or 5 days to get parts.
Keep it in running condition, right?
Yes.
And then when you do step on it, how is it?
Oh, it goes. It gets up and goes.
There you go.
Yeah.
And what do you think? How much horsepower do you think it has?
About 500 to 700 horsepower.
And then if you had to say, what would be the first thing to tell other Buick GN owners what to do, what to look out for?
Just if it runs well, you always look for rust. They always look for cracks up in the corner here, like this one has them, because I guess the guy before me used to race the car a lot, so there'll be cracks on each side of the car here.
Okay. And then this
is a 1 year only interior.
Okay.
It's all fairly new.
There you go. And do you put the those angle bars on the back and
yes.
the front?
But it's all covered because it has a.
And then with all that horsepower, I see that you're using the standard stock wheels and tires almost?
Yes. A little bit bigger tire.
But it's amazing. I'm sure the car flies, right?
Yes, it does.
And are you using larger exhaust or stock exhaust?
Stock. Just a 3-inch downpipe.
Okay. Wow.
And I have 99 GMC Envoy brakes in the front for a dual piston caliper.
Okay, and that, for the people that aren't familiar with that name, what would those do?
The original caliper was one big huge piston, and these are 2 little pistons, so it's better braking.
Okay.
They won't fade as bad. Thanks for watching. My name is Andy, and this is my 84 Grand National. And this is how it's going to sound with the 700 horsepower engine. Yes.
When you say it's loud, it's when you step on it?
Yeah, it'll sound like almost like a jet engine.
Really?
Yeah. And this is a 2.5-inch hooker exhaust.
Do you mind
Yep.
Please enjoy the next video.